hi, good morning my dear friends and students. I hope all are doing well and good. Welcome back to Ravi Math Space YouTube channel for math education. Myself, B. Ravi. Today we are going to learn and discuss the topic of squares and square roots. Already I explained the square and perfect squares and problems related to the topic in the previous video. You can watch the video and learn the concept. After watching that video, you can watch this video, then only you can understand the concept is very easy. Okay, once again we have to revise the what is square and what is square root and perfect square. So first square. What is the meaning of square? Very simple here. Square means a number multiplied itself, then product obtained is called square of that number. Meaning is here, see here. Very simple. Square means what? If I take one number 2, multiplied itself, then we got some answer. That answer is called as a product. This product is a square of this number. 4 is a square of this number. We can write this, we can write also 2 square. Simply we can write as a 2 square. Meaning is 2 raised to the power of 2. One more if I number take here. So 3 square I want. What we should do? 3 square we want means whatever number we are taking, that number multiplied itself. Again, we are going to get the answer, which is nothing but as a product, that is 9. So 9 is a square of this number. 9 is a square of this number. Suppose this I can write as a 3 square. 3 square is a 9. 2 square is a 4. 2 square is a 4. Like this, we can write the square of every number. Very simple definition. Multiplying a number itself is called as the result whatever you are getting. That is called as the square of that number. That is square definition. What about perfect square here? So perfect square means very simple. Whatever number given, that prime factors we have to express in a form of pairs of equal factor. Then we call it is a perfect square. Then we call it is a perfect square. One example we will see here. Suppose if I take 64. 64 is a perfect square or not? Yes, 64 is a perfect square. Why? Why? Because already we learned 25 squares thoroughly. That's why 64 is a perfect square, which is nothing but as a 8. 8 square is equal to 64. Understand here. So how we can verify this one? How we can? Why? Because it is smaller number, we can find it very easy. Why? Because already we have learned 25 squares. That's why we are finding 64 is a perfect square. Suppose if we will get big numbers, then how to find out it is a perfect square or not? How to verify? So in such big numbers we will face the difficulties. That's why we should understand the method. So for this simple number I will explain. Very simple. For this number, prime factors we have to express in the form of pairs of equal factors. Meaning is first we are going to find out the prime factorization of these numbers. Okay. Can you tell me what is the prime factorization of these numbers? Prime factors. So how I can, by using long division method, I can find out here. How? So you should take the smallest prime number, that is 2. So we should take the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 64 is divisible by 2. When it is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are. So again 32 is divisible by same prime number. Yes, take. When it is 2 16s are. 16 also again it is divisible by same prime number, that is 2. So 8s are. Again it is divisible by same prime number, that is 2. 4s are. Like this we will get as a up to where we have to do process until we should get the 1. Last factor should be, we should get 1. Now this all numbers we should express with the product symbol, meaning is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2's here we got here? 6, na? So 6 here written. This is called the prime factorization of this number. After finding what we should do here, very simple, these prime factors we have to make as a pairs of equal factors. Pairs of make this all factor we have to make as a pairs. So this 2 as a 1 pair, this 2 as a 1 pair, this 2 as a 1 pair. Meaning is here this prime factorization consists as a exactly pairs here. So how many pairs consist here? Total 3 pairs. Total 3 pairs. Then we can say it is for the perfect squares. So the number prime factorization, in the prime factorization consists exactly pairs. Perfect pairs means we can say that that number is perfect square. So for what number? Very simple, from each pair we have to pick out the one number, we will get the answer of this number. Meaning is from this pair 2 take out, this pair 2 take out, this pair 2 take out. Now multiply 8. Yes or no? 8 square is 64. 8 square is 64. Understand here? This is the very simple concept. We are going to learn and discuss the topic of square root. Square root. What is the meaning of square root here? Once you see definition, what is square root of a number a is that number when which multiplied by itself gives as a as the product. Gives a as the product. Meaning is what, sir, here? What is the meaning of this? Very simple here. What number we multiply itself, we will get one product is there, na? That number is called as a, which number is multiplied itself, that number is called as a square root of that number. Square root of that number. Meaning is what here? 2 is multiply itself here. Itself here. We got here product is 4. Then what we can say? 2 is a square root of 4. Then what about 4, sir, here? 4 is a square of 2. See, reading, how to read here. So you should pronounce very proper manner. 2 is a square root of which number? 4. 4 is a square of 2. Square is a square of 2. Try to understand here. Now we can see here. 3 multiplied itself. We got here product, that is for as a value. It is a value. Okay. Is that number which when multiplied by itself? Which number? This number. Whatever answer coming from that number which multiplied itself, that is called as a square root. That is called as a square root. Simply, I can say simple manner. What number multiplied itself, that number is called as a square root of given result. Square root of whatever results we are going to get, that number result. Understand here? So I can say very simple definition for that square root. What number if I multiply, then we will get the product. That product number square it is a that number only. That number only. Understand here? So simply we can define square root means what number multiplied itself. What number multiplied itself, then we will get the product. This number square root is a whatever number we multiplied, that number only. Understand here? Meaning is 2 is a square root of 4. 4 is a square of 2. Like this we have to read. So I hope you understand the concept here. Square perfect square and square root. Now, how to find out the square root of perfect square numbers? How to find out the square root of perfect square numbers? We have two methods are there. One is for prime factorization method. Another one is long division method. Finding square root of any number using two methods. First method is prime factorization method. Second method is long division method. If the given number is perfect square, then only we can apply the prime factorization method as well as for long division method. Okay, through one example I will explain both methods clearly here. Try to understand clearly. So for students it is for very most important. Every student should know this topic, then only math calculations you can do very easy. Okay, first by using prime factorization method we should find out the square root of this number. What is the number here? 576. So how to find out here? See here. First, step 1. What we should do here? Given number we have to represent in the form of prime factorization form. So what is the given number here? So 576. So how to find out the prime factorization of given number? By using long division method I can find out very simple manner. Yes. First I will take the smallest prime number 2. So 5, when will it goes 2 table means nearest number 2 2s are 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, again 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Again 288 is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 4s are. Again 144 is divisible by 2 only. So 2 7s are 2 2s are. Again 72 is divisible by what number? 2 only. So 2 3s are 2 6s are. Again 36 is divisible by 2 only. When it is 2 1s are 2 8s are. Again 18 is divisible by 2 only. When it is 2 9s are. Again 9 is divisible by 2 or not? No, 9 is not divisible by 2 exactly. Then we should take the next smallest prime number, that is 3. So 9 is divisible by 3. So when it is 3 3s are 9. So last finally 3 1s are 3. At last we got as a 1. Stop the process. Now this all numbers represent with the product. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4. 2 into 2 into 3, repeating 2 times. This is the prime factorization of a given number by using long division method. This is the first step. After finding first step, second step we have to make the pairs of equal factors. Now make here. So 2 2 I can make 1, 2 2 I can make 1, 2 2 I can make 1. 2 3 I can make. Why? Because 2 and 3 are not equal factors. Remember here. 2 is different, 3 is different. 3 3 I can make here equal factors. That's why pairs of equal factors, remember, are pairs of like factors. We can say equal factors are like factors. Okay, here I made as a pairs of equal factors. It is for step 2. After step 2, next coming to step 3. What is step 3? From each pair we have to pick out the one prime factor. That is for as a step 3. What is step 3 here? From each pair I have to pick out one. So 2 from this pair 1 2, from this pair 1 2, from this pair 1 2, from this pair 3. Now multiply. This is the fourth step. Whatever we have picked from each pairs prime factor, that prime factors multiply. What is answer now here? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 3 is 24. So 24 is a square root of 576. 24 is a square root of 76. So actually here we have a square root symbol is there. What is the square root symbol here? Yes, symbol for square root is like this. So it is the square root. How to pronunciation? It is square root. Square root. So finally we can conclude here, square root of 576 is equal to 24. This is the answer. How to get answer by using prime factorization? 4 steps. First step. So represent given number as a product of its prime factors by using long division method or factor tree method. Next one is, after representing product of prime factors, make them equal pairs. Make them equal pairs. So I made here equal pairs. After making equal pairs, from each pairs we have to pick out one prime factors. So one pair 1, one pair 1, one pair 1, one pair. Total we have 4 pairs. We got here 4 prime factors. Then fourth step, multiplied whatever pick out here prime numbers, that we are going to get the 24 answer. Very simple manner we can find out. No need to buttify, just understand the concept properly. Means we can do very easy. Next, same number square by using long division. How to find out the long division method? See here, same. Okay, take the number 576. So for this number only we are finding the square root number by using long division method. Okay, so first step is what here? Yes, take the given number. After taking the given number, now total how many digits are there here? Total we have a 3 digits are there. First, to make these 3 digits as a pairs of digits from right side. What we should do here? Pairs of digits by placing the bar. Okay, from right side, not from left side. From right side we have to make the pairs. So 1 and 2, it is the first pair. Now only 1 digit only left here. So that 1 digit also we can consider as a 1 pair. Why? Because here there is no other numbers. Okay. Total how many pairs are here? 2 pairs are there. Meaning is answer. So we should get the answer also 2 digit number. By seeing the question, you can say the answer of number how many digits consist here. That is 2 digits. Even see here we got here 2 digit number only. How to represent? How to identify means by taking the pairs. By making the pairs, you can identify the answer consists how many digits. Here 2 pairs came. Answer should be consist as a 2 digits only. Okay. So this is the first step. Now apply the division process. Now start with the from where onwards? Left side. From left side. So you have to make a group from right side, but procedure start with the left side. That is the, remember here, don't get confused again. Okay, first consider first pair here. What is the first pair here? 5. What is the first pair here? 5. Now for this 5, we are going to take the nearest perfect square. We are going to take the nearest perfect square. Can you tell me what you will get with 5 nearest perfect square? Yes, I can get the 4. 4 is a square of 2. Meaning is 2 square is equal to 4. 4 is a square of 2. So 4 is a perfect square of 2. So what we should write? So 2 square is a 4. That is a perfect square. So then what we should do here? 1, 2 you should write in the quotient Another 2 we should write in the divisor. Understand here? Very simple here. Take the first pair. Consider the nearest to perfect square, which is nothing but as a 4. So 4 how to get? 2 into 2. Yes or no? 2 square is equal to 4. Na? Nearest to square is 4. When it is coming 2 square. So 2 square how to write here? 1, 2 we should write in the quotient. Other 2 we should write in the divisor. Now that answer is how to subtract from this pair. Now 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now bring the next pair down. Now it become as a new dividend 176. 176. Again we have to do the division. How to do here? Yes. Now here see little bit careful and concentrate, be careful here. How I am doing here, in the same manner you have to do. Okay. First we have to make the whatever number in the quotient double. Whatever number in the quotient, that number you should make the double. Meaning is in the quotient we have a 2. 2 make a double. So we will get to 4. That 4 you have to write as a divisor. First digit. Next, after we are going to find out the next digit. How to find out here? Very simple here. Now consider these 2 digits. Now take for this number. Now can you tell me 4 goes into 17 how many times? 4 goes into 17 how many times? 4 times it will go. That 4 times how to write? 1 4 you should write in the quotient to the right of the quotient. As well as in the divisor also, right of the divisor. Understand here, right side. Remember, very simple here. Make the quotient double, which is nothing but as a 4. Now check out. From 2 digits take here, consider 2 digits. 17, here 4. 4 goes into 17, how many times? Very simple, 4 times will go. Meaning is 4 for the 16, 4 times will go. That 4 how to write here? 1 4 is in the quotient to the right of the quotient, as well as divisor to the right. Now again multiply this new divisor into this quotient. Whatever number here came, that number. Meaning is 44 multiplied 4. How much answer we got here? So 4 4 the 16. 1 carry 4 16 176. So we are going to get here 176. Now this product we have to subtract from the new dividend, which is nothing but as we got here 0. Now stop the process. Now what we got here in the quotient answer here? 24. Therefore square root of 576 is equal to 24. Understand here? It is for by using prime factorization method, by using long division method. So compared to prime factorization, long division method is very easy. So once again listen here how to. First step, what we should do? First to make the given number as a pairs of digits. So 3 digits I can make as a 2 pairs, first pair and second pair. Now procedure start. Take the first pair here, that is 5. Consider nearest square, that is 2, that is 4. 4 is what square? 2 squares. So 2 into 2. So that 4 multiplies, this 4 subtract from 5. we will get as a 1. Next, bring next pair down, that is 76. Now we got as a new dividend. Now again apply the division. So if you want to apply the division means again we want the new divisor. How to get the new divisor? Very simple trick here. New divisor, I can get whatever quotient we got here number, that number is how to make the double. 2 double is 4. Yes or no? Next what we should do? Very simple. For this number, how many times goes into the first 2-digit number? How many times it will go? 4 times will go. That's why that 4, where we have to write? In the quotient to the right of the quotient number, as well as in the right of the divisor number. So here 4, here 4. Now multiply these two. Whatever product we got, that product we are going to subtract in the new dividend. That is 176 minus 176, we are going to get 0. Now stop the process. Why? Because here there is no pairs here. Now stop the process. Root of 576. Square root of 576 is equal to 24. Understand here? So this is the process. I hope all are understand the process perfectly and thoroughly. In the next video, we will discuss the more problems based on the prime factorization method and long division method to find the square root of a given numbers, as well as I will explain the simple trick for 1 to 100 squares. So be ready for next video. Understand here? If you understand the concept, please do and share my channel to your friends. Okay, until take care, bye bye.